Staining a fence is essential in keeping it beautiful and protecting it from the outside elements. Let's go through all the steps on using a paint sprayer to spray your fence. Staining a fence can be a tedious and time-consuming task, but it's essential for keeping your fence looking beautiful and protecting it from those elements. I'm going to show you how to stain a fence the easy way using a paint sprayer. By using a paint sprayer, you can quickly and efficiently apply stain to your fence with minimal effort. Here's a few tips and tricks to help you along the way. Before you prep your fence, scan the weekly weather report and select a day with temperatures between 50 to 80 degrees, where it's low to moderate humidity, and no precipitation expected for 24 hours. If the weather is perfect, the first thing you're going to do is make sure your fence is clean. You'll want to start with a clean surface. Use a pressure washer or a scrub brush with cleaner to remove any dirt, mildew, or bird poop that may have accumulated. Allow the fence to completely dry before proceeding. This paint sprayer is going to save me a lot of time. If you have a big fence, this is the tool you need. Be sure to stir your fence stain prior to application. Make sure you wear old clothes and protective gear. It's essential to set up your airless paint sprayer correctly. Read the instructions and adjust the pressure to the recommended level. Then, test spray a small area to ensure the flow rate and pressure are correct. Adjust the spray pattern as necessary to achieve the desired coverage. To begin staining your fence, start at the top and work your way down, ensuring even coverage as you move along. Use smooth and controlled strokes and overlap each pass slightly to avoid streaking. As you work, check for any missed spots or drips and correct them immediately. Work in a small section at a time to avoid the stain from drying before you can spread it out evenly. Let each section dry before moving on to the next, and don't forget to overlap each pass slightly to make sure it's fully covered. Allow the first coat to dry completely before applying a second coat, only if it's necessary. Once you finish staining your fence, clean your airless sprayer thoroughly and store it according to the instructions. Here's an Annie tip. It's crucial to cover any surrounding areas that you don't want to be stained, such as your house, your patio, any plants. Use plastic sheets or tarps to cover these areas. By using a paint sprayer, you can save time and effort while achieving professional-looking results when staining your fence. With a little bit of patience and hard work, you're going to have a beautiful, long-lasting fence that you can be proud of. Keep watching, more great stain videos are coming up next.